Are you dreaming of a smartphone that goes toe-to-toe with the iPhone, but doesn't force you to sell a kidney to buy it? Well, hold that thought, because Samsung might just be granting your wish. What's up, guys? We've got some breaking news today that is about to absolutely shake up the smartphone market. If the internet leaks are to be believed, Samsung is cooking up a secret weapon, the Samsung Galaxy P1 5G. We're talking a massive megapixel camera, a flagship processor, all at a mid-range price point. If you're looking to upgrade without breaking the bank, you need to watch this video until the very end. Because today, we are breaking down the full leaked specs, the price, and the launch date of this beast. Let's dive in. The display. First up, let's talk about the thing you stare at all day, the display. According to the leaks, the Galaxy P1 is rocking a massive 6.75-inch QHD+ OLED panel. But it doesn't stop there. We're looking at a sharp 1.5K resolution, and a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. And gamers, listen up, this one's for you. It's rumored to feature a 360Hz touch sampling rate, which means zero lag when you're in the heat of battle. Plus, for protection, they've slapped on Gorilla Glass armor, and given it an IP68 rating for water resistance. Samsung is definitely not cutting corners on durability. Camera setup. Now, let's get to the main event, the camera. Brace yourselves, because leaks suggest a massive 150 megapixel main sensor on the back. Yeah, you heard that right, 150 megapixels. That means you can zoom in until your thumb gets tired, and the details still won't pixelate. Pair that with a 50 megapixel telephoto lens, a 32 megapixel ultra-wide, and an 8 megapixel macro camera, and you've basically got a complete DSLR package in your pocket. And for the selfie lovers, a crisp 32 megapixel front camera is ready to make your social media game look flawless. Performance and processor. To run a camera setup this heavy, you need a serious engine, right? Rumor has it this phone is packing the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This is the same silicon you find in top-tier flagships. Plus, it's expected to run Android 16 right out of the box. Between that raw speed and the software optimization, this phone is ready to give the iPhone a serious run for its money. Battery and charging. With all these power-hungry features, you need juice. And Samsung is playing for keeps here. We're expecting a massive 6000 mAh jumbo battery. And when you do run low, you've got 75-watt fast charging to back you up. That means no more charging anxiety, just non-stop entertainment. Price and launch date. Now for the million-dollar question, or rather, the budget-friendly question, what's the price? Officially, Samsung is keeping their lips sealed. But if the leaks are accurate, this flagship killer could launch in the US for just around $500. If that turns out to be true, the market is going to absolutely explode. As for the release date, we might have to wait until the end of this year to get our hands on it. So, here's the real question. If these specs turn out to be true, are you waiting for this phone, or are you buying something else? Sound off in the comments below.